So I'm about to change these bearings. It's a bearing here. I'm going to change this back bearing there. And it's 7.5 horsepower blower motor, or a return fan motor. I already took the pulley off, put it over there. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbolt here, 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 and here. I'm gonna pull the whole stator out. Pull the whole stator and the shaft out. I'm gonna change the bearings. Coming up. So this is the stator I took out the motor here. You have a front bearing here, and you have the back bearing here. Get both changed out. The cover plate for the front of the motor. Go ahead and start taking these bearings off. See what you got. And make sure you get a good puller too, because these bearings are a little difficult to take off sometimes. So make sure you get a good puller. Put it up here, and then start pulling that thing right on out. Pretty easy. So you grease up the shaft and everything as well. Take it right off. Pull right on off. Smooth, baby, smooth. Put the whole thing up. Slide it right back into the motor. Right back in there. Make sure it's leveled up. Put the back on.